What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. We are here on Tuesday, February 3rd. Did that say? Yep, February 3rd, Tuesday. I took a loss today. Let me show my P&L card since I have this trade copia now. This is the P&L card. Looks kind of bad, but I'll explain it in just 2 seconds. This is the P&L card. Yeah, it looks kind of bad, but I'll explain why it looks like that in 2 seconds. Okay, cool. Perfect. So I took this trade across three accounts. Two trade of eight 25Ks that I have, and then one top step eval that I just full ported on it because I like this trade. Honestly, this trade, it was a loss, but it's one that I would take again if I saw it. Here, so let me just full screen this because I won't need ES too much today. We didn't really do any like crazy SMT stuff. I was really looking for these highs, this 4-hour high inside of this gap. We also have London highs up here as well if I zoom in. There's London highs up here, and they're both relative equal highs. So 4-hour intermediate high with London highs. Let me turn this to yellow. Off market open, we end up just dumping all the way down. As you can see, like below us, we do have this 4-hour. Let me zoom back out. Below us, you can see we have these 4-hour gaps to the left of us here. We also have hourly gaps as well. So there's hourly gaps here as well. While we are trading into these 1-hour and 4-hour gaps, if we zoom in, you can see that we just have a super clean inversion with an unfilled 5-minute above us. And this is honestly something that I really like to see, especially with these unmitigated gaps. I would say as far as bias wise, really it was just my bias that was wrong. If I was looking more bearish or wanted to kind of see lower, we did still have this other unfilled 4-hour to retrace deeper, and we just edged the gap. I would say another thing I guess I could possibly watch out for is we didn't necessarily like re-sweep this low. However, you can see how strong we rejected and how like bullish these candles were. It wasn't like we closed without displacement. We closed straight through these gaps on the 1 minute and on the 2 minute. And also, it's not like this was like a low that we were looking for, like it was making relative equal lows. This was just another gap. So honestly, I don't really have that much to say about this trade. Yes, it kind of went against me right away. Yes, I got stopped out full, stop loss, no break even, no nothing, but this is a trade that I would most likely take again. We have a 5-minute unfilled. We just dumped. We took out Asia lows. So we already swept Asia lows in this previous PM session liquidity. We're inside of an hourly and 4-hour gap. We inverse a 1-minute and a 2-minute gap very strong with an unfilled 5-minute above. Not really much else to it. Here, I'll pull this over. You can see that my two trade of eight, these 20, or I guess one's a 25K, one's a 50K, but they're both right next to that drawdown limit. So we'll see going into tomorrow. I guess I'm just deciding whether to risk between 200 or 400. I'll probably just end up risking the 400 because, I mean, at the end of the day, it is a prop firm. If I'm not going to pass it, I'm just going to make sure the trade I take next with these accounts is like something that I really like. If it's something that I really like and it fails, then it is what it is. I still have like two more top step 50K credits because I accidentally let them rebill me. So they gave me resets. So I still have two more top step accounts. We'll see how I trade those going in. I'm not sure. I'm probably not going to full port them again. I'm probably going to just like actually trade pretty decent. But I'll probably just keep the risk heavy for that. I guess now that I think about it, for the top steps, it was kind of an idiotic move to risk this much, to risk the full drawdown because I can only make 1,500 on it. I wasn't even thinking. I was thinking of it as if it was like a trade of eight, or not trade of eight, an Apex account because that's what I've been trading recently. So I guess that's my bad. This is a dumb mistake to blow this all in one day. But besides that, I mean, I really don't feel that bad about this trade. It is a loss, but honestly, a loss I'm willing to take. I've seen this 5 minute unfilled play out more times than it hasn't for me. So going into February, I guess I'll just be a little more careful because it seems like the market is really like, especially this first 2 days is just going like. If I if you zoom out here, you can here. If I just get rid of the drawings and just zoom out, you can see how much we've just like pumped up last night. Fucking 700 points, and then we're dumping again 500 points today. So it's like we're moving a lot, and we're just moving in one direction So we're not bouncing off a bunch of different levels and kind of getting easy, clean trades, it looks like right now. So maybe I need to be a little bit more careful. But I think I'm just going to, keep following my system, keep doing things I'm confident in, and my edge will play out. So if you guys like the video, give it a like. If you dislike it, give it a dislike. I'll be back tomorrow as long as I take a trade. Check out this video up here. It's me. I'm playing a little bit of pool in this video, just talking about my lifetime about trading. It's more on the psychology side, so if you wanted to kind of see more inside my mind, please check out that video. Besides that, see ya.